Hello guys, today we're gonna train YOLO v10. Actually, you can see over here we are gonna use Ultralytics for training this. So the reason of training the YOLO v10 because we are entering in this competition, Bangalore Mobility Challenge 2024, in which we have to uh, depict the traffic pattern. So we have to detect the cars, and so that we have to train this model YOLO v10. So the reason of choosing this model, especially the 10th version, is that it has way less amount of parameters and have higher accuracy, so and lower latency, so that we can fit in our data pipeline without any problem. So how to train this with the custom dataset? First of all, you have to log in to this website Roboflow, and you have to create a project and add a dataset over here. You can see I already add and labeled the dataset. I label about 250 images, and also use some transformations to increase that set. That means just add some pre-processing steps. Okay. Oh, sorry, this pre-processing, this augmentation steps like brightness and all that stuff. You can see it is here. So if I want to get this, you just have to export this stuff this way. I have to go to data set. Yeah, to go over here, select YOLO v10, get snippet, and just a second. Actually, you don't have to do all that stuff. You can use any YOLO version over here. You have to just use this, and you will get able to get the API key from here. My account's API key. So once you're done with that, you have to follow this notebook. You have to make sure that you're connected to T4 GPU instance, otherwise it's gonna be very slow. Just wait for a while. It's take 1 or 2 minutes max. Yeah, just run this stuff. Okay, our T4 instance is connected, and we have to install Ultralytics. Once it is installed, we have to just run the shell one by one. Okay, our our Ultralytics is installed. Then we have to install this Roboflow. After installing this, it asks for restart. Okay, just press on restart. Okay, it doesn't ask this time. It's all right. So run this shell. Okay, it's it's done. So you have to paste the API key over here and run this block of code. And after that, the snippet you show seen over here, seen over here, you have to just paste it over here, and just make sure the values were appropriate. Press enter. It's just downloading it, and it's done. So what you have to change over here, okay, first of all you have to do something like this. I have to rename it to data sets. Once you renamed it, after that you have to transfer this to outside. You can also keep it here also, and you have to go over here and do some changes. You have to just remove this and also this. Okay, just save it, and after that you have to run this command. I am only doing 2 epochs, but you can do as much you want. Just try to do this. Now it's good. So you can see it's starting its training just in a minute. There you go. Once it complete, it use the validation set to validate our data, validate our model. Just a minute after, you can see our validation. This kind of, let's see, just the kind of report kind of stuff of our model. So it's good. It's good. Okay. And if you're gonna see over here, save the result in run/detect/train2. You have to go to run, you go to detect, and you have to go to train2. Okay. So you can see it also contains many other results, just like the images which are processed in the validation set. So you can click on any of those, you can see this. Okay, you can zoom it, you can download it and zoom it in to see how its model you are performing. and you also get many other stuff just like this r r1 curve. mm, yes, this not that good, but all right. Okay, so the main thing is that inside the weights we have this best.pt. So these are the model weights. I'm gonna copy this part. So just do, and I want to validate it, so I'm gonna paste it over here. Enter, and this is the part of the image, one of the images. So I'm gonna press enter, and this is gonna make the bounding box and save it as result.jpg. So after I refresh it, you can see result.jpg is right over here. Okay, so that's quite bad. Okay, but you can increase the training and get the better result. So previously I trained it with about 50 pops, so I get something like this. Okay, which is quite good. And yeah, so you can do it something like this. It's quite easy, and it hardly takes half an hour if you prepare your dataset previously. And you can also export it in any format. You can go to over here, there next this thought script and so on. Yeah, there you go. So these are the formats which you can convert on. Okay, so by your requirements you can convert whatever format you want. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can comment below the video or connect with me using LinkedIn or something like that. Okay, bye.